Examples of I want you to. I told you to. I want you to be happy. I told you to relax. I told you to sit down. I want you to meet Sarah. I want you to do something. I want you to know the truth. I want Sarah to do something. I told you to come right home. I told you to vote Republican. I want you to come with me. I want you to listen carefully. I don't want you to be angry. Jane told me to wait for her. Paul told Sue not to wait for him. Do you want me to wait for you? I don't want you to call me tonight. Do you want me to come with you? I told him to come back in 10 minutes. I told her not to phone before 8 o'clock. Do you want me to lend you some money? Please stay here. I don't want you to go yet. A woman told me to turn left after the bridge. Kevin's parents didn't want him to get married. They didn't want anybody to know their secret. Rachel can't come to the party. She told me to tell you.
The link, of all sentences in this video, is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.